This is a repair test for Amar, I believe that's how you pronounce his last name. It's October 5th, 2022, approximately 11:15 a.m. We're going to be doing this on the front slope of the roof. This is the shingle that we're going to be attempting to repair. Take a look, it's got creasing and wind damage. It's a wind damaged shingle. You can go ahead and see where this shingle ends. Okay, it ends here, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and break the sealant strips on these. They seem to be already pretty loose. Okay, if you want to come down and get a little general overview, go down the line, show what we're working with, all the way down to that last shingle. Show that the conditions of the shingles before we begin. They're good. If you want to come back and get on this other side of me, I'm going to start pulling these nails. The tools we're using is 5-in-1 nail pulled roof claw, State Farm tool, roof snake. Already creasing. Granules are flying off of that. That creasing, if you want to come down beside me, get a close-up, notice the condition of that shingle. Give it a couple taps to show the granule loss. Very good. Moving on down to the next one. Got some creasing going on already there. Granules pouring down. That nail pulled. Go ahead and get a close up, note the condition of that shingle. Creasing, granule loss, give it a little tap, just show the granules pouring off. Very good. Alright, moving on over to the next one. Oh yeah, these shingles are brittle, man. That nail pulled. Close up, note the condition of that shingle. Creasing and granule loss. Very good. This one, granules just pouring off of that. I'm gonna come down there, get a close up, note the condition of that last shingle. Be sure to give it a tap, show the creasing, get a close up of the creasing on there. Very, very good. If you want to come back and get on this other side of me now, before I start pulling the nails on this top layer. Get the PSI up, gun. Granules pulling off. Creasing, same story. Get a close up, note the condition of that shingle. Very good. Granules are pouring off of this one as well. Quite get the nail out. Close up, note the condition of this shingle. Seems to be a common theme on this roof is shingles being compromised. We're going to pull these nails out with creasing and granule loss. Yeah, same story on this one. Yeah. Alrighty. You can get a close up of that one. It's granule loss, you can see the creasing. Yep, okay. We'll go ahead and pull this shingle. A roof snake, install the nails. Alright. Spray test has failed. Turning shingles have creasing, manual loss. Get a review of those shingles.